ulitin, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking this video. Heto nga, malapit na ang Grammy Museum interview at performances ng SB19. Ngayong July 28 na po yan, this month, malapit na. Samantala, ganito pala binalandra at pinakilala ng Grammy ang ating The King of P-Pop. Narito, nasusulat, basahin natin. SB19 is a multi-awarded 5-member Filipino boy composed of Pablo, Joss, Stel, Ken, and Justin. Their debut in 2018, the group has become one of the most influential acts in Southeast Asian music and over 1 billion career streams worldwide and cultivating passion, global fan base known as 18, widely recognized as the pioneers of modern P-pop. SB19 made history as the first Southeast Asian and Filipino act nominated for US Billboard Music Awards, earning a nomination for Top Social Artist in 2021. They were also the first Filipino act to chart in Billboard Social 50, a next big sound chart, helping pave the way for a new generation of Filipino artists in the global music industry. At heto pa, the group's breakout hits including Basenga made history by reaching number 1 on Billboard's Hot Trending Song charts, while the mega hit Gento became a global viral sensation, debuting at number 8 in the Billboard World Digital Song Sale chart. In 2026, the group released their highly anticipated album Wakas at Simula, led by the single Visa, with the track debuting at number 6 on Billboard World Digital Song Sale chart. On July 30, SB19 will become the first homegrown Filipino act ever booked to perform at Lollapalooza, Chicago, one of the most influential music festivals in the world, further strengthening their global prominence and Filipino representation. O diba, masasabi nating suki na ang halos ng mga kanta ng SB19 sa isang Billboard World Digital Song Sale chart. Ilang kanta na ba ng SB19 ang pasok doon sa naturang sales chart ng Billboard? May iba pa ba na Filipino boy band o singers ang nakapasok doon sa song sale chart ng Billboard? Wala pa. Only SB19 made the history again and again. Kaya naman, congratulations at thank you so much, Grammy, for this opportunity. Again, malapit na po ang Grammy Museum with SB19, July 28, 2026.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone, and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.